Welcome to the official user guide for Candle Pressure Flip Engine by TradewSamet. This indicator is designed to help traders study candle pressure, exhaustion moves, rejection behavior, target and risk zones, and professional alert workflows directly on the chart. It is not a magic buy or sell tool. It does not predict the future, and it does not guarantee profitable results. The goal is simple: to give you a clean, structured, and visual way to review potential pressure flip conditions with more clarity. In this guide, we will go step by step through the setup, the signal logic, the confirmation filters, the target and risk system, the crimson spine visual layer, alerts, and the complete daily workflow. Before using the indicator, prepare your TradingView chart properly. First, choose the symbol you want to analyze. This can be crypto, forex, stocks, futures, indices, or any market available on TradingView. Second, select a time frame that matches your trading style. A lower time frame may create more signals, while a higher time frame usually gives fewer but cleaner signals. Third, keep your workspace clean. Remove unnecessary tools, panels, and indicators that distract you from price action. And finally, test the indicator on historical data before using it live. Your symbol and time frame directly affect signal frequency, signal quality, and overall behavior. To install the indicator, open the Candle Pressure Flip Engine script page on TradingView. Click Add to Chart to apply the indicator to your active chart. After adding it, start with the default settings first. Do not immediately change every input. The default configuration is designed to give you a balanced starting point. Once the indicator appears on your chart, confirm that the labels, target and risk zones, and crimson spine visuals are displayed correctly. If something looks wrong, reset the settings to default and reload the indicator. The core of Candle Pressure Flip Engine is built around four major ideas. The first one is exhaustion move. The script looks for situations where price has already moved strongly in one direction. The second one is rejection wick. A bullish flip needs meaningful lower wick rejection. A bearish flip needs meaningful upper wick rejection. The third one is close pressure. The candle should close with intent. For bullish flips, the close should be strong toward the upper part of the candle. For bearish flips, the close should be strong toward the lower part of the candle. The fourth one is body strength. The candle body must have enough presence so the signal is not based only on a random wick. Together, these conditions help the indicator detect structured pressure shifts after directional exhaustion. After the basic candle pressure conditions are checked, the indicator can also use confirmation filters. The first confirmation filter is volume burst. When enabled, the script compares current volume to average volume. If volume expands enough, the candle receives stronger confirmation. The second confirmation filter is RSI momentum flip. This does not use RSI as a basic overbought or oversold signal. Instead, it checks whether momentum is starting to turn in the expected direction. For bullish flips, RSI should begin turning upward. For bearish flips, RSI should begin turning downward. These filters are optional, but they help refine the signal model and reduce weak conditions. Use filters to improve quality, not to force every market into the same profile. The indicator has two main signal labels. The first one is bullish flip. A bullish flip appears when the model detects a potential upward pressure shift after downside exhaustion. The second one is bearish flip. A bearish flip appears when the model detects a potential downward pressure shift after upside exhaustion. Signals are confirmed only after the bar closes. This is important because intra-bar candles can change before closing. A flip label should not be treated as a guaranteed outcome. It simply means that the script's internal conditions aligned at that candle. Always read the market context, review the projection, and apply your own risk management. When a valid flip signal appears, the indicator can create a visual target and risk projection. The entry zone is based on the signal candle close. The risk zone is calculated using the selected risk mode. The target zone is projected using the selected risk to reward value. By default, the system uses a single target model instead of multiple take-profit levels. This keeps the chart cleaner and easier to understand. The target and risk boxes are not broker orders. They are visual planning tools. Their purpose is to help you understand where the projected target and risk areas are, so you can evaluate the setup before making any decision. One of the most unique visual parts of this indicator is the crimson spine system. The crimson spine is a premium price-following visual layer. It includes a central EMA-style spine, upper echo layers, lower echo layers, and a soft crimson fill cloud. The goal is to help you visually read pressure, compression, expansion, and price flow. The crimson spine is not a signal by itself. It should not be used alone as a buy or sell system. Think of it as a visual guide that improves chart readability and helps you understand how price is moving around the pressure structure. Candle Pressure Flip Engine includes a professional alert system. You can create alerts for bullish flip signals, bearish flip signals, target hits, and risk hits. The indicator supports both standard TradingView alert conditions and dynamic alert messages. Dynamic alerts can include important information such as symbol, time frame, direction, score, entry, risk, target, RR, and result. There are 2 alert formats. Human format is easier to read. JSON format is better for webhook and automation workflows. But remember, alerts are only monitoring tools. They do not execute trades, they do not replace your analysis, and they should always be confirmed with your own trading plan. Here is a simple daily workflow for using the indicator. First, choose your symbol and time frame. Second, wait for pressure flip conditions to form. Third, confirm the flip only after the candle closes. Fourth, review the target and risk projection. Fifth, use alerts to monitor the setup if needed. And finally, review the outcome and learn from the result. Before using any setup, ask yourself, is the chart prepared correctly? Are the labels visible? Are the projection boxes enabled? Are alerts configured? Is the risk plan clear? And most importantly, am I using my own confirmation rules? This process keeps the indicator structured and prevents emotional decision-making. Let's look deeper at the alert system. A bullish flip alert fires when a bullish pressure flip is confirmed at bar close. A bearish flip alert fires when a bearish pressure flip is confirmed at bar close. A target hit alert triggers when price reaches the defined target zone. A risk hit alert triggers when price reaches the defined risk zone. The human format is simple and readable. The JSON format is structured and can be used for bots, webhooks, and integrations. You can also customize the alert tag to organize your notifications. To set alerts, open the alert window, choose the indicator condition, configure your alert details, choose your delivery method, and create the alert. Always remember, alerts are for monitoring only. The Crimson Spine system has 5 main visual components. The first is the central crimson spine. This is the responsive EMA-style core that tracks the balance of candle pressure and price flow. The second is echo layers. These are dynamic upper and lower bands that expand and contract around price. The third is the crimson fill cloud. This fill visually connects the echo layers and helps show pressure intensity. The fourth is adaptive spread. The echo distance changes based on the internal pressure intensity. And the fifth is the pulse effect. This creates a subtle premium glow, making the visual layer feel more alive. But again, this system is not a standalone signal. It is a visual guide for pressure, compression, expansion, and price flow. For best results, use the indicator as part of a structured workflow. Start by identifying market context. Then wait for exhaustion. Look for rejection wick behavior. Check close pressure. Confirm volume burst if you use the volume filter. Confirm RSI momentum flip if you use the momentum filter. Then confirm the final signal. After that, use the target and risk zones to evaluate the setup. Here are the main do's. Use market structure. Combine with higher time frame direction. Wait for real exhaustion. Respect target and risk zones. Use alerts for monitoring. Test the indicator on your own markets. And here are the main don'ts. Do not use it blindly. Do not ignore trend context. Do not risk more than planned. Do not expect 100% accuracy. And do not rely only on visuals. Discipline, confirmation, and risk management create consistency. Let's summarize the candle pressure flip engine. The indicator includes candle pressure logic, volume burst confirmation, RSI momentum flip, target and risk projection, auto best optimizer behavior, result tracking, crimson spine visuals, and professional alerts. The goal is not to predict the future. The goal is to help traders study pressure shifts with more structure and clarity. Remember these key points. This is an educational tool. It is for visual analysis only. There are no guaranteed results. Always use risk management, and always test the indicator on your own market, symbol, and time frame. Candle Pressure Flip Engine is built for traders who want cleaner charts, smarter visual feedback, and a more professional decision support workflow. Clean, smart, professional. This is Candle Pressure Flip Engine by TradewSamet. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow TradewSamet for more clean TradingView indicators and structured trading tools. Thank you for watching, and remember, this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.